The city of Groesbeck is getting into the holiday spirit with some very special window art. Fox 44's Allison Fox O'Connor visited the downtown area today to see the designs for herself.
This is just one of the many gorgeous window art designs that are now covering downtown Groesbeck, and they were all designed and created by kids. The art club from Groesbeck High School took on the project of decorating local business windows for the holiday season. This is the first time a project like this has been done, and students and the community members could not be more excited.
As we were going, we had a list of businesses, and it kept growing and growing because people are like, we want you to do our windows too. So it's been all positive. Everything has been 100% positive, and it's kind of crazy.
Settlemyre says that each piece takes a few hours to complete, and some are done by just one student. Groesbeck High Principal Dr. Bonnie Bomar says she is extremely proud of her students for helping the community in a time of giving.
I say all the time we have remarkable students, and I love it when they prove it. And that's exactly what's happened over the last week. Our kids really stepped up, and under Ms. Settlemyre's leadership have done a great job. And they've been excited about it, and it's been such positive publicity for them. And then just for us, it's just been such a good thing for the community.
Of course, the local businesses couldn't be more pleased with how the windows have turned out.
Ours is beautiful. I love ours. But a little further downtown, a couple blocks away, they did a nativity scene on one of the windows, and it is absolutely beautiful.
So make sure to check out the gorgeous window art the next time you're in downtown as they prepare for their holiday festivities on December 4th. In Groesbeck,